Okay guys, this room is a mess and we need to clean this room, and this is one of the guest rooms and GB made a mess. Yes. Now GB, what do you have to do? Oh my god. Look at this guys. This is a mess. So we moved the bed and we're moving everything, and GB got his Saudi Hoover, and now we're gonna clean it. Yeah?
Shut it on.
Yes, I plugged it on for you. Now let's do it. What happened? What happened?
Was that you?
No! Come on, let's do it.
Was that you?
No! I can hear the sound. Wow! What a powerful suction, guys. Amazing. Now do these. Penny. There you go. Take it. Nice and clean. Over there. Now guys, this is the proof that this Hoover is highly recommended. It's very powerful, and look at the floor. It's nice and clean. Now we've got guests coming over in a few days, so we thought we'll just quickly give it a clean to this guest room. So now we're just cleaning it. Is it blocked? Wow. Can you hear this, guys?
Guys, this is why I don't like Saudi Hoovers.
Why? I can see it. Let me see.
You put the flashlight.
Yeah, I can see it. What's this? Is that plastic or metal?
Put the flashlight in it.
Yeah.
And I can get it out. What is that? Oh, that's a Hoover.
Yeah, but what is this? Is that a glass?
No,
There's a
that's
glass there. No, there's a glass here. Look. This is a glass. Ah! Ah! Don't touch it. Oh, it's going to come out now. You have to clean it with this.
There.
It's okay. Now use. Oh, it's there. It's there. It's here. It's here. Now you need to clean it with this.
You put the flashlight.
Yeah, okay. Great.
Open it.
Woo! So what do you think, GB? This Hoover or Henry Hoover?
This one.
This one is very powerful, isn't it?
Yeah, then Henry.
Yeah. What is this?
It's broken.
Wow! This is nice and clean, guys. Wow!
Wow.
Spot on. So the guest room is clean for the guests. Thank you so much, GB. Love it. Oh, something's there on the floor. This, what is this?
This paper.
Paper, yeah. Is it gone?
Guys, this is so good, and I love it. This is about too much I use. This is lovely.
Okay, GB, we need to clean it from here.
Wait.
Wait, come. Pass me this penny. I'll buy some sweets. Ah! No, give me the penny, man. Oh, no. No, you have to take this off and then clean it. You have to take the, yeah, like this, yeah.
And these look bigger.
Nice and clean.
Yeah, we're going to make it.
There, yeah. Saudi people, you've been using this?
Yeah, I'm buying it.
Yeah. So guys, if you want to get this brand, highly recommended, because it's the power, the suction.
But it's just too loud.
It's loud, but it's amazing. Love it. Love.
Because of the suction, because it's too loud.
Yeah.
Because the suction is too high.
High, yeah. But guys, highly recommended, and the price, you know, is very cheap. So if you want to buy Hoover, buy this. If you
It's in Saudi,
yeah.
but you can't buy it from like you can't buy it from anywhere. Only Saudi. Yeah.
So guys, if you're in Saudi, you can buy it. So thanks for watching our video. We cleaned the guest room now.
You guys are a bit mess.
Yeah, we're gonna clean that, but that's without the Hoover. So like, share and subscribe, and we'll see you in another vlog, a surprise vlog. What do you have to say, GB?
Goodbye. More surprises are coming, guys.
Is it?
Oh my gosh, look at this hair.
Oh, is that your hair?
No, it's not. I don't know this is it. It must be yours.
Mine. See you everyone. Oh. Oopsie daisy!